Overcome your anxiety with women. Thinking causes anxiety. Acting cures it. Many guys know what to do, but just don't take action. The real issue, fear of success. Your mind fights against change, even if that change is good. It's like a boardroom in your head, with most of the members fearing the unknown. They will just convince you to stay busy instead of taking action. They will tell you that you are too tired, too busy, or that it's not the right time. Their real goal, avoiding discomfort. Success just means change. Change means anxiety. Your mind prefers familiar failure rather than uncertain success. This is why people avoid talking to certain people. Your brain freaks out over the unknown. So it keeps you stuck even if you're frustrated. You search for the perfect dating technique instead of acting. You think a pickup line might fix everything, but deep down you already know the truth. It's not about looks, status, or magic tricks. The real issue is fear and anxiety. The closer you get to success, the scarier it feels. You don't really want to apply what you've learned because that means actually going out there, putting yourself out there and changing. You're scared of rejection, looking foolish, and failing. But here's the thing, anxiety won't kill you. Most bad daters just focus on managing anxiety rather than self-soothing. Managing anxiety means avoiding situations that make you uncomfortable. You procrastinate, isolate, play it safe. You date women that make it really easy for you rather than women that you actually want. Or worse, you become, as Dr. Robert Glover says, author of No More Mr. Nice Guy, a girlfriend with a penis. And you get constantly friend-zoned. You're the guy who listens to her complain about her ex. You do everything for her, hoping she'll see you, hoping she'll see what a great guy you are one day, eventually. But that's terrible foreplay. It won't make her want you. To break free, you must learn to soothe your anxiety. Your goal isn't to eliminate fear, it's to act despite it. One powerful phrase, I can handle it. I can handle it. No matter what happens, you'll survive. Stop waiting for the fear to disappear. It won't. Acting kills anxiety. Thinking feeds it. Follow the 3-second rule. If you think about approaching, do it within 3 seconds. Don't overthink a woman you've never spoken to. Treat dating like a scientific experiment. Observe what works and what doesn't. Get comfortable taking risks. Expect rejection. It's a part of the game. Go places you don't usually go. Make eye contact, start conversations. Push yourself into new social situations daily. Your goal isn't to avoid failure, it's to get comfortable with discomfort. Keep going until this feels natural. Stop thinking, start acting. The more you act, the more confident you'll become. If you want to make very quick progress in a short space of time, then consider my online coaching program. Don't make the mistake that so many guys make, thinking that you can just watch YouTube videos and just figure this out by yourself. Yeah, you can get some of the way, but when you have someone who has been through this process like I have, and have them identify your limiting beliefs and just make a few changes, you'll be so shocked at how quickly this seems so much easier, and then you just become completely free to express, go and speak to who you want. What massively amplifies your time is personal support. I've helped hundreds of guys and will quickly spot what's getting in your way and give you an easy to follow plan and accountability. Book a free call with me for further information. Just DM me, guys, and yeah, let's get into this. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.